whispering willow tree.
Every single day we take on so much stress, emotions, and energy from everything around us. Whether you're working, caring for others, running a business, or simply navigating life, you absorb energy. Over time, this can leave you feeling drained, exhausted, and unbalanced. But did you know that your feet, the very foundation of your body, hold the key to cleansing, restoring, and protecting your energy? Welcome to my Reiki Foot Program, a simple yet powerful way to release tension, detox your energy, and feel deeply refreshed, mentally, physically, and spiritually. We often focus on self-care for our minds and bodies, but how often do we truly care for our feet? Your feet hold over 7,000 nerve endings, connected to your entire body's energy flow. They absorb stress, tension, and emotions, and when that energy builds up, it can lead to mental fog and fatigue, emotional heaviness, aches, tension, and poor circulation, feeling disconnected or overwhelmed. By taking care of your feet, you're taking care of your entire well-being. For the longest time, I struggled with pain, poor circulation, and blocked energy in my feet and legs. No matter what I did, I always felt heavy, sluggish, and disconnected. I didn't realize at first that my physical pain was deeply connected to my energy. All the stress I carried, the emotions I absorbed, and the energy from others, it all settled in my lower body, creating blockages that left me feeling stuck, exhausted, and weighed down. But when I began performing regular foot healing rituals, everything changed. That's why I created my Reiki Foot Program, to help you restore balance, recharge your energy, and feel lighter, calmer, and more refreshed than ever. This isn't just a foot soak, it's a full energetic experience that includes a non-touch, no water, energetic foot cleansing that releases stress and resets your energy. Reiki-infused mist, a sacred blend to refresh and protect your aura. Reiki-infused socks, keep healing energy flowing even after your session. Take-home kits, so you can continue the healing at home. Whether you're an energy worker, a busy parent, a 9-to-5 professional, or simply someone who wants to feel better and refresh their mind, body, and spirit, this session is for you. Not everyone can book a professional session right away, but self-care should never be out of reach. Here's an easy DIY foot ritual you can do at home with simple ingredients to cleanse stress and refresh your energy. Step 1. Create a simple herbal foot cleanse mix. Epsom salt or sea salt to release built-up tension. Add baking soda to neutralize negative energy and soften the skin. Drop in a few essential oils like lavender, rosemary, or peppermint for relaxation. Step 2. Set your intention. Hold your hands over your bowl and say, I release stress and negativity. I welcome peace, clarity, and healing. Step 3. Massage and moisturize. Use a lightweight oil, coconut, jojoba, or almond oil, and gently massage your feet, focusing on pressure points to ease tension. Step 4. Seal the energy slip on soft socks, or even better, my Reiki-infused socks to lock in healing energy and keep you feeling refreshed. Cleansing your energy isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. If you're feeling overwhelmed, disconnected, or simply need a moment of pure relaxation, this session is for you. Ready to experience deep relaxation and renewal? Book a Reiki foot session with me today. Grab a take-home kit to keep your energy balanced. Comment below, what's your favorite self-care ritual? Like, share, and subscribe for more ways to restore your energy and well-being and keeping your crown on in the real world. You deserve to feel good inside and out.